realize it. Comes off really easy. That only take a few minutes. Piece of cake. That's gonna work awesome. Tighten that down. It tightens down really easily. I might put these things on too tight. I can wire tie it right there. Pull this through here. So I'm gonna put these 2 screws on. Wait to put them tight until you know exactly where you want it. Let's see, I think this fits perfect right down in there. Look at that, like it's made for it right there. I don't think I want it up on the windshield because then it'll block some of my view. And my camera's on the front, so I put it right here and I'll be able to have a great view of it. SD card next, we'll just undo this. Oh yeah. Here we go. So this bad boy has arrows. We can line these right up, push that in, tighten that up, make sure we're all the way in. Piece of cake. Perfect. And
that's red now.
Look at that. Checking out our options. We have 1 camera hooked up. We can go that way. Cycle through our cameras till we get to the one where we're looking at on the front. Wow, that's a good picture.